forecast. This approaches the flood occurred. Where? Watery River at Lake Watery. When? Until further notice.
Uh-oh. TOR.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina, southwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, south central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 8:30 a.m. At 8:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Plantersville, or 11 miles west of Merle's Inlet, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Johanna around 8:10 a.m. Dongle around 8:15 a.m. PD Crossroads around 8:20 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Service has issued Tornado Watch number 688, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Marion, Marlborough, and Williamsburg. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The tornado warning for northwestern Georgetown and east central Williamsburg counties will expire at 8:15 a.m.